I love him endings.
That's a Bill Monroe ending, dude.
Yeah. It wasn't I seen you get up on one leg there, Rick, a little bit. Trying to give me the clue there. Oh, me. Well, I guess we should probably try to do a instrumental for the people down in Kentucky that's listening. You reckon there's anybody down in there's listening to us tonight? That far away, but you never know.
They might ricochet off one of those satellite dishes they got down in the backyard.
It could be. Well, there might be somebody from camp too, over in the canal or in the Shenandoah Valley or somewhere listening to us from down in Kentucky. We do the Pike County breakdowns. Okay with y'all or not? Any particular thing you have to?